By the time you're watching this, you have probably already seen a bunch of videos saying Unity and Unreal are collaborating. And yeah, I'm late. But here's the thing, everyone talked about what happened. Almost nobody talked about what this actually means for developers like us. So I'm not here to repeat the news. I want to talk about why this collaboration happened, what it changes, and most importantly, what this doesn't really change for devs like you and me. Let's be very honest. This collaboration did not happen because Unity and Unreal suddenly become buddies overnight. This happened because the industry is changing fast. Game development is getting more expensive, pipelines are getting more complex, teams are using multiple tools, not just one engine. Studios don't want to be locked into one ecosystem forever anymore. Studios want freedom, artists want flexibility, developers want tools that work together, not fight each other. And let's not ignore reality. Unity had trust issues with developers. Unreal is dominating high-end visuals, films, and AAA games. So instead of competing on everything, they choose to collaborate where it actually matters. What actually changes for us? This collaboration is about standards, assets, formats, pipelines, meaning easier asset transfer, less redoing work, more engine agnostic workflow. You might build something in Unity today and move parts of it to Unreal tomorrow without starting from zero. This is especially good for artists and designers. One asset, multiple engines, less technical headache, more focus on creativity. Engines are slowly becoming tools, not identities. And honestly, that's a good thing. You won't feel this immediately, but for long term, shared pipelines, common tooling, easier collaboration across studios, this is laying the foundation, not flipping a switch. Now let's clear the biggest misunderstanding. Unity is not switching to Unreal. The engines are not merging. Competition is not dead. Unreal will still be Unreal. Unity will still be Unity. They will still compete on features, performance, workflows. This is not peace. This is strategic corporation. Now let me give you my personal opinion. As an Unreal focused dev, this makes Unreal even more attractive. Studios won't fear switching engines. Learning Unreal becomes a safer investment. If you're learning Unreal right now, you're not locking yourself into a corner. And for beginners, don't argue about which engine is better. Learn concepts, learn game design, learn workflows. Engines will change, skills won't. So yeah, I was late to the topic, but I think this conversation is more important after the hype dies. This collaboration isn't about headlines, it's about the direction game development is moving. And now I want to hear from you. Do you think game engines should compete more or collaborate more like this? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Unreal Engine content, and if you want to support this channel beyond likes and subscription, check out my Patreon. You will get project files and your name in my end credits. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.